The Viltrox 27mm F1.2 is a lens I've been excited about since its very first rumor broke earlier this year. It's a lens that competes with the 23mm F1.4 by Fuji, and for a slightly bigger package and a much lower price point, you're getting that extra stop of light that I think really shows in a portraiture environment. It starts to get your images at a wider focal length to look a lot more like the 56mm 1.2, which is a huge fan favorite within the Fuji community. Now this lens is a part of Viltrox's new Pro series, which also has a 75mm f1.2 in it. I own both of these lenses and I just have to say they are incredibly sharp, especially for the price point. At the f1.2 aperture wide open, you're also getting that level of sharpness, which I think is super impressive. If you zoom in here on these test images from the X-T5, on the 40 megapixel sensor, you're getting incredible amounts of detail, especially in the strands of hair, in her eyes. So again, just super impressive at this price point. Now this was my first shoot with the 27mm 1.2, but a lot of people have been saying that it's a larger lens, and I think compared to something like an A7 III or a full frame body, this is still a really compact package. While it's a little longer than some lenses, it's definitely still lightweight, especially with the X-T5. This lens offers something that Fujifilm native lenses don't currently, and I think that makes it very much worth its price tag. Now again, these are just my first impressions, so be sure to subscribe for a full review in the future. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.